Hello, and thank you for stopping by California Gold Connection. Today we're going to talk about converting your weights and measures, depending on how much what you have, and converting it into the proper value that you're looking for. Quite often I get calls and say, oh, I have so many pennyweight, or I have so many grains, or I have so many grams, or so many ounces, and people want to know how to convert that and understand what they have and what they're going to get paid on. So what a lot of people don't know is Google has a built-in calculator, and it's very quick and easy. And so we'll start here, and and the way you enter a value in Google Calculator is we're gonna do ounces to grams. Okay, so what you want to do is, rather than putting times or equals or whatever, just do whatever you're looking for, whatever you have, and then say I want to convert it to this value, so grams or whatever, and that's how you enter a value into Google Calculator. And then here's the answer right here. All you got to do is enter that and search, and boom, it brings up the answer. Now, this is one thing I want to talk about, and everybody gets hung up on when they're buying gold or selling gold and trying to convert, is they just put ounces in here and then try to convert it. And this ounces, this is avropial ounces. It's a little tough to pronounce, which is 28.34 grams per ounce. That is not how gold or silver or any bullion, for that matter, is bought. It's all bought in troy ounces. So you need to be using the right conversion. So this is the first place everybody makes a mistake. They just type in ounces, and they're looking for a conversion, and they get this value. There's this 28 grams per ounce. That's not the proper ounces to be using. All bullion is bought in troy ounces. So instead, you need to type in troy ounces to grams. Okay, now we're in business. 31.1 troy ounces per gram. That's the value you want to be using. So make sure whatever you're converting it to, make sure you got the troy in the front of it, and then you'll have the accurate measurement. So say you want to convert a troy ounce to a pennyweight. So there you go. 1 troy ounce equals 20 pennyweight. Now, if you have a certain amount of ounces and you're looking to convert it to pennyweight, all you got to do in the front of this here is type in 10 troy ounces to pennyweight equals 200 pennyweight. So this is a very handy tool to use when you're trying to convert. And this is the first thing people are doing when they get online and they're trying to figure out what they have. They're trying to figure out what they have, and they always get messed up on the troy ounces to avropious ounces, and that's where they make their first mistake. So 10 troy ounces, let's say the grains, so that's 4,800 grains. How many 10 troy ounces, how many grams? And this is what you should be looking for, is how many grams you have, because that's, if you're being quoted properly, that's what you want to be looking for. So 10 troy ounces, that's 311 grams of gold. So and we could also switch this around and do let's get rid of that. So I got grams to troy ounces, so let's put the 2, and let's just do that, grams to troy ounces, and see what it shows us. So 1 gram equals 0.0321 troy ounces. Well, if say I've got 100 grams, so 100 grams equals 3.21 ounces. So that's, in a nutshell, that's how you use the Google Calculator. And any value, just remember to put whatever quantity you have. Now here, let's do this one real quick, just so you got it. Let's do ounces to troy ounces. 1 ounce equals 0.911 troy ounces. So if you're weighing something on a letter, like a letter scale, which a lot of people have, and you got 15 ounces, well, how many troy ounces does that equal? Well, 15 ounces equals 13.67 troy ounces, or let's do it to grams. And this is what a lot of people are trying to do. They got a letter scale, or they got heavy stuff like silver or something, a bunch of it, and they're weighing on a bathroom scale. And they'll do 15 ounces to, let's do 15 ounces to, grams. Let's do grams. So 15 ounces is 425 grams. So this is a handy conversion. This is what a lot of you are going to be doing. Let's do pounds. So 15 pounds equals 6,800 grams. So this is what a lot of you guys will be doing, especially you guys that have a lot of silver. They'll be putting on a bathroom scale and trying to convert it to grams or ounces. So again, if we're converting ounces, we want to make sure we do troy ounces. And so there you got 218 troy ounces. So that's how you use the calculator. Maybe we're a little long there, but that gives you a little understanding of how to use a calculator. Below this video, I'm going to put a lot of different conversions that you can just look at and play with if you want. But that's how you use a Google calculator. I hope this helped you, and you guys have a great day, and we'll look forward to taking care of you. Bye-bye.